So over here, you can see that I have a note right here. And what you can do inside of Evernote is you can turn any text into a link as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here, select outer text that you want to turn into a link, and then you can go around over here and then click on insert link right here. Once you do that, you can see that the text is selected, and now what you can do is you can type in www.youtube.com/tututube right here, just like this, press apply, and then it turns to a link with that particular URL. You can also go to edit, and then you can change around the link however you like, or you can go around, change the text of the link over here as well. If I were to go around and click, then it opens up the browser, as you can see right here, with that particular website. So what you can also do is you can press enter right here. So let me just go around without selecting anything. I'm just going to go around, click on link right here. So once you go around and do that, what happens is that you can type a text that you want, and then just go around and type in www.google.com. Then it becomes a link right like that as well. That is how, without selecting an existing text, you can just insert out links as well. And that is how you can insert links inside of notes inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.